Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to summon your Tesla. So this is very easy. This starts in the car. We first want to make sure this is turned on, so go to the car on the right there, and then we can just go to search settings and type in summon, and we can go directly to this setting right here. It says actual smart summons. Make sure this is turned on, otherwise we won't be able to summon our car. So we can customize the summon by going to this option, completion sound, USB, applause, ta-da, fart, whatever, and then we can go to emissions on abort. We have the option, bumper clearance, etc. I didn't change any of this stuff. So once you have it set up in your car, you need to go to the app. So here's the Tesla app. We can go to the Tesla app. Now on here, we just want to go to the summon option, so you can see summon right there, and you'll probably see your address and stuff. But just go to summon, and this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like right here. All you have to do is go to where it says come to me and hold this down. So it says press and hold controls to move the vehicle. Now you can see this up arrow. We can press this up arrow and it will go forward, which is kind of freaky because I'm sitting inside of it. So let's go forward and let's hope it doesn't hit anything. And it looks like it's clearing that pretty good. So I can go forward here, and then you can go back too. So let's go forward here, and you can see I'm not pressing the pedals or anything like that. So you can use your app to do this. And then you can go backwards too. So let's go forward a little bit. I'm just going to press the gas. So it says auto park disabled, and you can press this to go backwards too. But if I get out, let's get out here, and I'll close my door. We can just hold this down here, and it says come to me. So let's hold this down. It's blinking, and it should come to me. So you have to hold it down the entire time. And should, well, since I'm already here, it's completed. But just hold it down, and it should work. Summon completed. Otherwise, you can just back it up like this. So let's go to backwards. Let's just see if this works. So here it comes. Should back up really slow now. And then I should be able to back it just in my house. So back it up to my charger location over here. Looks like my mirrors are clearing. Okay. I'm in the way, so it's saying waiting for pedestrian. So you can use this to park your vehicle too. And this is kind of scary. I don't want to go through my garage, but here goes. And that's about where I park it. So yeah, go ahead and just try this out. You have to hold down come to me, otherwise it won't be able to find you. So just take a look at that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.